Let's have a crush in this video. Imagine having an AI pair programmer that runs entirely on your own machine, costs nothing, and never sends your code to the cloud. That's Crush, an open source coding assistant that lives in your terminal. It doesn't just generate code snippets like Copilot or Codex or Claude Code. Crush can read your files, execute commands, run tests, debug errors, and even make Git commits, all powered by local AI models through Ollama and various other providers. But if you are using it with Ollama, then there would be no subscription fees, no data leaving your server, just pure coding power at your fingertips. In this video, we are going to install Crush and then we will see how to integrate it with Ollama. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype. Now, just a disclaimer, Crush is not something unique. Maybe 6 months ago, but now there are a lot of similar options out there. But still, I think Crush is one of the good ones. The project is quite happening. If you go to their GitHub repo, there are a lot of contributors. You can also contribute open source and free. So, why not? So let's get started. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. And if you're looking to rent a GPU, I will drop the link to Massed Compute with a 50% discount coupon in video's description. Have fun. One of the prerequisites in order to install this Crush is that you should have Node and NPM installed. I already have it installed. If you don't know how to do it, just search my channel. And that is not the only way of installing it. You can install it with sudo apt in Ubuntu or in Windows through exe file with Go package, and there are other options. You can even install it from the repo, from the source. But I think this option of installing it through Node or npm package is the simplest one. So that is what I'm going to use now. I'm just using npm install and the package, and it should get installed in a Jiffy, as you can see here. You can also check out the version of the Crush. Looks really good, pink. Now, I already have Ollama installed, and you can see that I have two models, Qwen3 Coder and GPT-OSS 20 billion model. I'm just going to use a Qwen3 Coder, and I will show you how to configure the Ollama first with this tool. So for that, first let's create a directory, that config and Crush, and I have opened that file. And I have opened that crush.json file in VS Code, and this is a configuration which you need to put in there. So you can see I'm just giving it the name Ollama, and this is the main thing where you have to give the endpoint of Ollama wherever it is running on your local system. It is running on the default port of 11434, and this is OpenAI API's compatible endpoint. We are also mentioning it here. Then this is the model ID which you need to provide. If you want to use any other model, just change this ID to whatever Ollama list shows you, which I showed you earlier. So if you want to use this model, just pick up this value and put it in here. Rest, I would suggest just keep it as is. Okay, so I already have saved it. Let's go to terminal back. And now you can simply start the Crush by typing Crush here, press enter, and it is going to ask you what model you want to select. As you can see, you can go with other models too. So Ollama is already configured. Just press enter to select your Qwen3 coder. Once you press enter, then you can initialize it by again pressing enter. And this initializing part is actually quite important. And if you are working with any coding assistant out there, especially with the clone of Claude Code, because this is what it looks like, there is one thing which is called as agents.md file. Even it is available in Codex from OpenAI and few others. Agents.md file is a standardized open source format designed to guide AI coding agents on how to interact with your project. I already have covered it here in this video, so please search it out. Again, if you are working in these coding agents, please make sure you watch this video. It's very important. It is going to help you a lot. Okay, so let's go back, and I'm just going to now press enter here. And you can see that now it is initialized, and now it is asking me to allow the permission. You can just allow it blanketly, or you can just allow it for the session. I'm just going to allow it. Press here, and then it is going to create that. So you see in my current directory where I had that app.py, I'll just open it. This is app.py, and it has just created this agents.md file which I described to you earlier, and it is there yet. And now you can ask question about your code base, you can work on it. This is the simple coding agent which we already have covered a lot. So for example, if you can say analyze the app.py file, and then it is going to check it out. It's a very small file, just I'll show you what exactly that is. Okay, so it is asking me that it needs to make this tool call. It is listing, and let me show you that. So it just says print I'm having crash. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so let's go back. Now if you look at the output which it just gives you the function call or tool call. It doesn't actually give you the answer, and this is a limitation of this crush. And I believe they also have some GitHub issue going on where they are trying to resolve it. The problem is, you know what, not more so with crush, it is more to do with Ollama based models, because they struggle at times to do function calling, especially when it comes to streaming, and that is what is happening here. So hopefully they are going to resolve it soon, but other than that, you can do pair programming. You can just ask it to create you create a landing page in HTML and something like that. It is going to create the landing page. You see that it is just creating the basic landing page, and it is creating, fixing whatever is there, and then going from there. So look, I'm not going to put more time on checking it out, because I believe that if you are really doing a pair programming in terms of vibe coding or stuff like that, I would suggest stick with Cloud Code. Crush is good, but I think it is the experiences in Cloud Code is far more better. And if you want to use Ollama based models in Cloud Code, then just go to my channel, search with Cloud Code Ollama, and watch this video which I did yesterday, and it actually blew up like 9,000 views. So very grateful for the support. So this video shows you how you can use Ollama models locally private without any API key from any provider, and works like a charm with Cloud Code latest version. End to end, I have shown you all the commands, and I'm more than sure you are going to like it. So again, it's not bad to have options like this crush, and there are few others too. But I believe that if you are doing pair programming seriously, stick with Cloud Code and use either Ollama based models or any other API based models. That's it. Let me know what you are using for your projects and which models you are using or which coding assistant you are using. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X. Thank you for all the support.